Hey, welcome back to RC 101 with the Taoist Flyer. We've got a few things from Eachine to test out today. This is the Eachine Falcon. This is a hardcore racer. Got some full-size brushless motors on here. They're even tilted forward just a little bit. No thrills, no chills, no GPS, no barometer, just a full-on racer. I really like this camera too. It's actually mounted to the little dampening plate up here. It's going to be a nice 5.8 gigahertz camera. It's got a really nice antenna on it, very fast. Got a tail light on here that you can quickly pull off if you want to, so it's really a good racer for just trimming weight and having a good time with it. Retails for about $200 or so. We're also going to test out Eachine's new digital video recording 5.8 gigahertz monitor. You can pop an SD card in the side here and record your video stream so you can finally record what your racer sees. Also got a set of Eachine $65 FPV glasses to try and fly the aircraft with. Let's test it out, see how it goes. Winds are probably about 15 miles an hour. And since the motors are pointing forward, if I let off the controls, it automatically flies itself forward. That's idle speed, and here comes full speed. Are we in focus? You might want to pull out just a little bit so you can see some objects in reference. Here we go. Here is full speed. Okay, that was not full speed. That was probably 3/4 speed. I felt there was some more in there. Yeah, it could go a lot faster than that. I'm going, probably using 10% of the throttle here. It's actually using just the idle there. It's literally just idle right now. I mean, I'm barely touching the throttle here, and this thing is just raring to go. Not really best for low light conditions. I'm getting decent range. flight time at right now?
4 minutes.
Okay, our overall flight time's only going to be about 5 minutes because this thing is pushing some serious power through those motors. And I was flying at line of sight, and then it actually, well, got a little further away than I was able to control it. I couldn't tell which way was forward, so I just slapped on my Eachine goggles here and was actually able to fly it back to the house, FPV. The distance was really good. I didn't have any static in it, so I have to say, speed-wise, this thing is going to win some races if you have the talent to fly it. But just remember, this is not a beginner's aircraft. There is no auto hover. I mean, it is literally just straightforward, full speed, hardcore aircraft right here. This is for flying fast through obstacles, around corners, and doing it FPV. This is a serious racer. They are not joking around. It retails for about $200. The transmitter distance is great with the included transmitter. This $60 pair of Eachine goggles work really well. There is absolutely no telemetry with this aircraft though. There's no voltage meter or anything, so if it feels like the battery's running low, you land it right away. You try not to fly it for more than 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
So we're gonna go ahead and land it since we're at 5 minutes, but I have to say, this is definitely a heck of a racer.